Hello everyone, this is Mehdi from Seabery, and today I'm going to be presenting to you our solution, the Soldametic IE, which is a machine that uses simulation based on augmented reality to train welders, okay? So as you can see here, we have the set, okay? Here we have the welding simulator, which is, as you can see, it looks exactly like a normal welding machine. It's very manageable, as we can see. And here we have buttons that help us parameter the voltage. It's exactly the buttons that we find in a normal welding machine, as well as other buttons that will help us navigate within the simulator. Here we have the helmet, which is actually a real helmet. The only difference here is that we have two cameras that will be taking the reality that we see and then simulating the parts or pieces into it. So here inside you can see we have a display. We have real torches, like for example here I have a MIG-MAG torch from Abicor Binzel, as we can see here, okay? So this is a real torch, and this is actually developed so that the students can have the muscle memory, so that when they switch between the welding simulator to a real welding machine, there's literally no difference. So we have MIG-MAG, we have TIG as well, which is also a real torch. We also have electrodes, as we can see here, okay? And by the end, we have coupons, which are the pieces that we will be simulating on. So for example, here, as you can see, we have QR codes all over, and this whole surface later on will be simulated into the type of metal that we have chosen. Great. So here we have the work stand, which helps us, change all to have different positions. Like for example, I can do this and change the whole position of the weld, okay? And then we're going to do right now a simulation, a real test, so that we can see exactly how it looks like, all right? So once I click here, okay, we will see here that the LEDs are on, and then what you're seeing right now is what I'm seeing through the eyes of the cameras. So here we have the voltages, as I said before, amperage, wire speed, as well as the gas. Good. So now I'm going to put on the helmet and do a little exercise. As you can see, the coupon have now just been simulated into carbon steel, okay? Here we have to start from this place to here. So here we have the torch that also has been simulated, and as you can see, we have guides, okay? So these guides for now is telling me that I'm so far and I need to come back. If I do this, it's not correct, so I need to position myself in a correct way. So this actually helps the beginners to know how to weld. So now I'm going to start. So if I'm too far, it tells me the two blue dots that we have here are for the speed. So for example, if I stay here and not move, as you can see, it turns red. And if I go too fast, it turns red as well. Alright, so now that we have finished the weld, we can inspect the bead. And as you can see, it's very, very realistic. Great. So now we're going to see the analysis module that will let us know exactly what we have done. And this is a big point that we must focus on as well, because this allows the students as well as the teachers to see exactly what the student has just done, okay? So this allows us, for example, to improve, to know what we should improve on. So for example, here as we can see, we have my work angle, the travel angle, as well as the travel speed are something that I must improve on, okay? It also allows us to see what we have just done, which is the bead. We can zoom, we can move, as we can see here. And as you can see, it's very, very detailed. This also allows us to play a video back, as we can see here. So this will be all. thank you very much for attending this video. And if you have any more questions or anything, feel free to send me an email on the address below. Thank you. Bye-bye.